Alright, y'all, I hadn't even planned on recording when I came in this Dollar Tree, but as soon as I stepped foot in the door, I seen this LA Colors display, and it had these new glow and black light press-on nails, and they also had some glow in the dark nail polish. And so I broke out the phone and started recording so I could show you guys what they had. I do have one of these that I found, like, I think last year, and I can't remember if you need black light for these to glow or not, but this is the selection that they had. As you can see, people were grabbing them. As you can see, the ones that they were choosing the most of, and then some just weren't left at all. I didn't pick one up because, like I said, I got one last year and I didn't even use it because it's really light. I think I have that orange one. It was actually really hard for me not to pick up a couple of these because the colors were pretty. I was just disappointed in the last one that I got, so I wasn't just really too quick to jump and grab one. I did go down the regular nail polish aisle to see if they had anything new, and they did not. I have filmed in this store before, so you guys have seen the inside of this one, so I didn't want to bore you with the same old nail polish. I did see some more of these Brookstone nail clipper sets. They only had the 2-pack. If you remember, I found the 2-pack and the 3-pack, and I started to pick one up for someone who's looking for some, but she hasn't let me know if she found them or not. So let me know, girl, because they had plenty. So the Tony makeup is always coming out with new collections. This is the Zodiac collection. Their packaging is always fun and bright. I hear that their brow kits are nice. I've only tried their eyeliner and I think maybe mascara. But it looks like a nice little makeup collection. I know this video is totally random, but I thought I would just keep y'all with me while I quickly walked around to see if I seen anything else new, and I thought I'd just keep recording just to make it a little bit longer, but they didn't really have much. So I spotted this loofah in a random spot, but I thought it was pretty nice that it had that wooden handle. A good find for $1.25. Then I spotted these stunning volume stylers. I did pick up a couple, so stay tuned for that video. I'm going to open it and see exactly what it does and how it works. So make sure you turn on your notifications, subscribe if you're not subscribed, give this video a like, and stay tuned for the video of me unboxing this.